Hello my people, this is Mama J254. Today I'm going to wash clothes, but you are going to be with me because I am going to show you the whole process I take to wash my clothes with my Samsung new machine. Kindly do not skip, watch till the end and enjoy. Kindly do not forget to subscribe. I do not take it for granted for your support. I appreciate so much. Take me to 1,000 subscribers and I will really appreciate. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. Hello, my people. Today we are washing clothes and I would like to show you because many people refuse to buy this washing machine saying that their clothes will be spoiled. Mama Joy 254, that is from Kenya, and I know so many of my friends refusing to buy washing machine thinking that their clothes are going to be spoiled. Your clothes will not be spoiled if you wash them in the right temperature according to the fabric, or according whether it is cotton, silk, or even wool. There is a setting knob for each function. So today these are the clothes we are going to wash, like this one here. This is a pillowcase. This here is a bed sheet. As you can see, it is orange in color and does not fade. So because it is colored, we are going to use cold water for washing. I'm also going to put inside the machine these other clothes: a tracksuit, a t-shirt, a jacket, a gray jacket, a small pink t-shirt for my baby girl, and this sweater here. All these clothes are cotton and we are going to wash them with cold water. I'm going to close the door. This here is a soap dish. Here you put soap, even here you put soap, and at the center here is where you put Star Soft. But for our today's washing, we are not going to use Star Soft. So because we only want to wash with soap only one time, I'm going to use this last space. This is liquid soap for washing clothes, or a multi-purpose soap. Just a small amount because it is very concentrated. Then you push it to close. This here is a on and off button. So we are going to use a daily wash to wash our clothes, including it is going to be rinsed 2 times, and it is at daily wash. It's going to rinse 2 times and also wash 1 time with soap, the soap we have provided. Because we are going to use cold water, here we put 0, meaning if we press, we want to add temperature, this is what you do. But now we want cold water, we press so that this function is deactivated. So it is set there. This one is for last spin. It is going to spin at 1,200 revolutions per minute. I'm going to show you, and it is going to wash these particular clothes, including rinsing and drying, for 1 hour and 3 minutes. So this is a button where you press so that the washing can start. Or if you want to change the function, you can press it so that you pause and you do the changing. So we press like this. Now this washing has started, and if I want to pause the washing, I'll again press this knob to pause the washing so that I can change or put another function. But as I have told you earlier, we are going to be using our daily wash function with cold water. So I was just showing you how to put it on and off. So let's wash our clothes and I will show you as we go on. Sorry. The machine now has finished the second rinsing and it is removing, it is draining the rinsing water out from the machine. That is the pipe there, this one, from the machine to the drainage. So after washing your clothes, don't be leaving your clothes in the machine, because when you leave your clothes in the machine for long, your clothes are going to be creased. There are some people who leave their machine after it has finished and go to work, and they come in the evening to hang their clothes or iron their clothes. If you do that, your clothes will crease. Will have a lot of creases. The machine now, it is at 13 minutes remaining, and it is doing the last rinse. The water is now being removed from the machine. You can see from this pipe, that is water draining. That is water draining so that you can start spinning. For daily wash, the last spin for Samsung machine, my machine does it at 13 minutes. The last rinsing is completed at 13 minutes, and as you can see, it's now remaining 11 minutes for the last spin. Let's do the spinning together with you, and the machine is going to do the spinning to drain all the water from the clothes at 1200 revolutions per minute. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and thank you for your support. I do not take it for granted. As I have told you earlier, now the machine drum is rotating 1200 revolutions per minute. That's why you are not seeing it rotating like this, because it is going on a very high speed to remove all the water from the clothes. So my people, if you've been wanting to buy a washing machine and you heard people say that your clothes are going to be destroyed, take it from me. It will make your work easier, and you will wonder why all this time you've never had this washing machine. Your work will be easy. You'll just be putting clothes in the machine plus soap, and you will only come back to take their clothes from the machine. Rotating at a very higher speed, but because now it is all about to finish washing or spinning, at 2 minutes the speed will reduce. The speed is reducing. The drum is about to stop. There will be an alarm to alert you that the machine has finished cleaning, so that you will be ready to remove your clothes. But you first wait for the alarm to ring or to be off. Right now, if I try to remove these clothes, the machine will not open. This machine also has a child lock. For example, if we have a child in your home and the machine is washing and the baby comes and try opening, it won't open because it has a child lock. The machine won't open until it finishes and the power is off. Get this, you'll make your work easier. That is alarm showing you that the machine is done washing, so that you are ready to remove your clothes for ironing or just putting in them in under the sun for 10 minutes to remove the moist completely from the clothes. You now see the machine is off, and now we are going to be able to open our machine. Look at this cloth. It has no water. It is completely, it is moist. It is not 100% dry, but you, even if you don't have any other clothes, maybe you have just washed the only clothes you have, you can just take them and wear it, as in wash and wear clothes. You don't have any other clothes, so you wash and you just put it on as it is. It doesn't have water, but it is not completely dry. For those who like ironing their clothes after washing, you take them from the machine and straight you take them to the ironing board to iron your clothes, because when it is moist like this, the creases from the cloth or the iron is perfectly done when the clothes are moist. So you will not need to add water or to sprinkle water on your clothes. Look, My clothes are okay. They are not creased as you've been informed. So don't be lied to. The machine does not destroy your clothes. It makes our work easier for you. So guys, that is it for today. Till next time. Bye bye my friend. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. You have been watching with Mama Joy. This is Mama Joy 254. Kindly my people, do not forget to subscribe. I really need your support to move forward. Thank you, and continue watching till we finish and remove the clothes from the machine.